In this video, we are going to do Unit 3, Education and Employment, Reading Task 9. Let's take a look at the objectives again. You've practiced skimming and scanning techniques in the previous tasks. Now you're going to use these techniques to identify the main ideas and to find information in a text quickly to answer multiple choice questions. Let's go to task 9. So this task is an exam skill task. So you're going to use the reading strategies that you have learned step by step from units 1 until now, and especially in the previous tasks 1 to 8 in this unit to answer multiple choice questions. Okay, right. So the questions are here. Let's first read the tip or the advice given in the information box. So how do you go about answering a multiple choice question, multiple choice questions in the exam? First, you skim the text very quickly to understand what it's about. Then you read the main part of the questions and find the key words, the words that will help you find the answer in the passage. Then find the key words or words that mean the same in the passage. Try to answer the question without looking at the options. Find the option, then match your answer. Remember what I told you about linking your answer with the options? Then check that the other options are incorrect. Okay, so let's first look at the picture. You can see some people working here. Yes? All right. What's the topic or title of the text? Education and the workplace in the UK. Why do people go to university? To get a good job. But most often, the education that people get in the university classroom does not match with the requirements of a job. It happened to me. Whatever I learned in my teacher training classroom did not really help me when I started teaching here. And then I had to learn new skills. I had to practice and I had to adapt very quickly. So this text is going to talk about, or it's going to discuss education and the workplace. Yeah. These days, universities are focusing more on work-based learning to fill the gap between university education and the job requirement. So how do they normally do that? They try to make a closer connection between the education and the requirements of a job. So they try to give job-based training. Yeah, they try to provide apprenticeship, which means a period of learning by working under an expert or a skilled person. They also provide blended learning. We've already come across this phrase earlier. Yeah, it's mixed learning, both traditional learning in the classroom and modern method of learning using online resources are blended, are mixed. Okay. So below the text, there are 4 questions with options A to D. So start by first skimming the main ideas in the paragraphs. Okay. Pay close attention to numbers, like you can see years, numbers. Yeah. So while skimming, just look for the general idea. While scanning, notice the numbers. Look for the numbers. Notice the numbers. Okay. If there are numbers in the text, it's very likely that you may have a question that relates to these numbers. Okay. All right. So use all the strategies you've learned to answer these questions. Log into your Moodle page and complete the task. This is the end of the video. Thank you.